Hello, and welcome to this Nexperia's quick learning video about LFAC 56 UL2595. I'm Ding Yandok, working as Consultant Engineer for Package Competence Group, located in Nexperia, Manchester. I'm responsible for conceptualization and development of a semiconductor package for PowerMOS products. Today, I will share some information related to UL2595 standard, its impact to a traditional Power SO8 package, and what we're doing in Nexperia to comply with this standard. UL2595 is basically a set of standard for general requirements specific for battery power supply appliances such as vacuum cleaner. This is also the standard to address potential risk unique to the utilization of battery supply in a product. Here in this board, showing the UL2595 table, shows the minimum creepage and clearance between two opposite terminals for products rating between 15 volts and 32 volts. By definition, creepage distance is the shortest path between two conductive parts through surface of insulation. For a semiconductor package, a surface of insulation is basically the mold compound or the plastic encapsulating the package. On the other hand, the clearance is the shortest path or the shortest distance between two conductive parts through air. For an old and larger packages, this is not an issue. However, if you need a compact SMD device, such as traditional Power SO8 that does not comply with this new standard, it will cause concerns, resulting to risk of fire or even electric shock. Here is an illustration of our standard LFAC 56E comparing to our UL2595 version. So as you can see here, the original 1.05 clearance after modification is now 1.55 millimeter. And the creepage itself from 1.27 millimeter is now became 1.5 millimeter after the modification. You may also observe that the modification only happened on the external part of the package. The entire internal die pad or the tub isn't reduced at all. But what is the impact of this modification in actual application? Here in this table, showing the LFAC 56 standard and the UL2595 version with different thermal resistance. As you can see here, for every 3 watts power loss due to the current supplied, the rise in junction temperature is only 1.65 using the UL2595 version. Comparing to the standard LFAC, which is 1.29 degrees centigrade rise in junction temperature, the delta is only 0.36 degree centigrade. Now, in more scenario, we have a 10 watts power loss. Using the UL2595 version, you will only have a 5.5 degrees centigrade rise in junction temperature. So the delta comparing to the original LFAC 56 is only 1.2 degrees centigrade. Now, comparing these to the overall package TJ Max capability of our products, this is not significant at all. So since 2018, we already introduced 2 products in the market. These are the PSMN 0R9-30 ULD and the PSMN 1R0-40 ULD. Thank you very much for watching this quick learning video. For more information, you can visit www.nexperia.com.